If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, I'm going to share some common mistakes that beginners make to help you avoid failures and find success quicker. Hey, what's going on? My name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm going to share some common mistakes to avoid when you're brand new to affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So the first mistake that most brand new affiliate marketers make is that they don't pick a niche. So this is a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. Most people, they don't think about the long term, so they just want to find a product that they can promote and start earning commissions right away. But it's important to pick a niche, and whenever you pick a niche, I always recommend to pick a niche that you're passionate about, because you're going to have to create a lot of content around that niche. So if you're somebody who's passionate about fishing or outdoors, I recommend you go with that niche. And there's plenty of affiliate products that you can promote that would fall under that niche. But if you choose something that you're not interested in at all, let's say you're not into wealth, or you're not into health and fitness at all, but you know that's a profitable niche, it's what's known as an evergreen niche, meaning that niche is always going to be in demand and always profitable. But it's not something that you're really passionate about, you don't really care about it. Now, if you create content and you don't see results right away, you're going to get burned out, you're going to get discouraged, and more than likely you're going to quit. So that's why I always recommend that you pick a niche that you're passionate about. Now, the next tip is what I just mentioned, is to think about the long term. Most people get into affiliate marketing because they see how many other people are making $100, $200, $500 a day, and they think they can do the same thing right away. But this is a long-term strategy. You have to think about the long term. As I mentioned, you're going to have to create a lot of content around your niche. You're going to have to build authority and build a following in order to get to that point where you can earn $100, $200, $500 a day. Most people think that when they pick an affiliate product, they're just promoting that product. But when you're creating content and you're putting your face to it, you are your own brand. So if you're promoting a product that is no good, it's not going to help out anybody at all, and you're associating yourself with it, people are going to associate you with that bad product. Now, there's a few affiliate marketers who you see making thousands or tens of thousands of dollars, and then a few months later they disappear. They're no longer to be seen, and they kind of treat affiliate marketing as a quick cash grab. Now, the reason why you see some affiliate marketers who are here today and gone tomorrow is because they're not thinking about the long term. They're just looking for a product that's going to make them the most money. They're going to promote it to as many people as they can. They don't care if it helps out that person or not. They're just in it for the money, and they pretty much disappear. But when they do that, they lose all credibility with their audience, and that's why you don't see them around anymore. So that's why it's important to think about the long term. Now, the next tip, and this is something that I did a lot when I first got started, is don't spam your affiliate link. I know if you're getting started with affiliate marketing, you're just hungry for that first commission or your next commission, but don't go bug your friends and family on social media spamming your affiliate link. Don't go to YouTube or Facebook groups and start spamming your affiliate link, especially if it has nothing to do with what that Facebook group is about. And if you're not adding value, don't just paste your affiliate link. Number one, you're probably going to get banned from those Facebook groups because they don't like to have people spamming in their groups. Number two, people aren't going to click on your affiliate link and purchase that product because they don't know who you are and you're not adding any value. Okay, real quick, if you're getting value from this video so far, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So the next tip is to build out an email list. Now, if you're creating content, promoting an affiliate product, and you're not building an email list, you're just sending it straight to the affiliate page, you could be missing out on a lot of sales. This is why having an email list is necessary if you want to be profitable with affiliate marketing, because you can follow up with people after you collect their email, because the majority of people who see a product the first time, they don't buy it. It takes about 7, 8, 9 exposures of them seeing that product before they're ready to make a buying decision. So this is why it's important to build an email list, because if you're sending people straight to an affiliate product, especially if they don't know you and they don't know what that affiliate product is, they're not going to buy it more than likely. So this is where you can follow up with them through a series of emails and introduce yourself in those emails and let them know more about the product and how it would benefit them. Now, another reason why you should be building an email list is so you can promote similar products to your original offer. So let's say you're promoting an affiliate product, you capture people's email, and let's say, for example, 10% of those people buy that affiliate product and the rest don't. You can follow up with people and reintroduce them to your original product, but let's say not everybody is going to be interested in purchasing your original offer. You can introduce them to a different offer that's related, and they might be more interested in that. So that's why it's important to follow up with people through a series of emails. Now, when it comes to building an email list, you are gonna have to invest into an email software service. Affiliate marketing is a business, and every business has a cost to run and operate it. And this brings me to my next tip, which is to invest into your business. You can technically get started with affiliate marketing for free, but if you really wanna profit and scale your business, there's some tools that you would have to invest into. For example, like I just mentioned, an email software service, a funnel builder service, maybe running paid ads if that's where you're at and you want to get faster results. And once you start becoming profitable with your business and you want to scale it, that's when you can start outsourcing, meaning you can pay people like freelancers on Fiverr to write blog articles for you, do some video editing, or produce other content for you. Now, the last tip that I wanted to share, and this should be a no-brainer, is to promote good products. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, if you're promoting a bad product and you're putting your face to that product, people are gonna associate you with that bad product. So the next time that you promote a product, people are just gonna naturally assume that it's a terrible product because they saw a product that you were recommending before and it was a terrible product. So you always wanna promote a good product. Do your research about that product, look at the reviews. If you can get that product for yourself, do your own detailed review about it and let people know the pros and cons about that product. Understand who would benefit from using that product, and you can even do a comparison to a similar product. Now, if you need help with affiliate marketing, if you're struggling, if you're brand new, or you just don't know where to start with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend joining my Facebook group where I'm helping other new affiliate marketers learn and start earning with affiliate marketing. Now, if you want a detailed training that'll teach you the basics and fundamentals of affiliate marketing and how you can start earning with it, then I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you got some value from it. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.